Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and log out on your Reddit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, simply gonna go ahead and access your Reddit app on your mobile phone. So wait till it loads, and once you have done so, you're simply gonna go find this kind of interface over here in the Reddit section, right? So for you to simply get logged out of your account, so if you go to this three horizontal line top left corner, you cannot find any of the options regarding log out, right? So you can go back and tap on your profile icon that will be on top right. And now even in this case, you can simply go to the settings option, but you won't be able to find a logout option, which is not given over there. So for the matter, we again have to go to our profile, tap on this username of ours that if you have on top. Once we tap on it, we can find this kind of interface, which includes another user account that we have. If we do not, we can only find our particular account info and then tap on and then this add account option, and in this beside the account that we're logged in, you can find this kind of a doorway with an arrow going to the sideways. Actually that is the logout option. If you tap on it, we have this option called logout pop-up. If you tap on it, we are done, we are logged out of our Reddit. So you can go ahead, tap on your profile, and we are not over there. So this will be it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.